Just a little punch.
Wow.
This shot really low, but now wind hitting it. Gonna miss left. That wind just moved that ball 20 yards to the left. And the wind's gonna hit this one too. He's gonna be over there left of Adams. This is going long as well.
Through the gallery.
Thornberry coming off a 7, off the 7th. Yeah, this is gonna miss left too. This is low shot, but it's hooking and gonna be long.
Got to play this inside the hole. Somehow, even with that wind howling.
Never felt comfortable over it. He showed his patience yesterday.
That's just a little chippy one, and I tell you what, it's good if it's the number. Oh no, it's short. Oh, that was a good shot, better than the result.
That one just gets away from him a little bit, and that's going to leave a lengthy par save there for Kanaya.
I mean, you can't see the flag, and it's riding the wind. Does need to get down. That's a huge mistake there.
To the 9th, Kanaya.
112 uphill lie. Very, very high.
Tell you how hard this hole's playing today, George. They've got this pin cut right in the middle of the green. You never see that on the PGA Tour. And we have all of one birdie.
There's the wind, asking for it, and lips it out.
They all should be right in the middle, and this one is drifting right. Gonna miss the green right and probably miss the bunker. Drifting balls to the right. That's what the previous 2 shots did. Can he learn something? Well, he's tried to actually hook this into the wind, but the wind will not allow it. Drifting right.
Wind just so strong.
To the 13th at the par 3, Phillips.
Just trying to drill something in there low. Looks like he may have lost this one a little left, maybe. No, actually all the way to the right side.
Choking down.
It's riding up in the wind. It's on a good line. It might need to go too. Oh no, same result.
Gets back into the rough.
Power 14th.
158 yards is completely blocked out. This wind howling down and right to left. Very poor result there, guys.
About that. Trip Eisenhower.
I'm not going to go while he's fumbling.
Johnny on the spot. Returning the
there.
hat to the gallery, so Shank's going to take another moment.
Not near as hard as it would be without this wind. I think you can hammer this, and he has.
Hardest hole at Port Royal, the test for Alex Smalling.
167 yards of terror, and this is right. And we will see a lot of golf balls over there in this area. Be careful.
Still rolling.
Be careful.
Cart path ride up and over the speed bump. The hardest non-major par 3 second shot was on the cart path. Dropped it to here.
Only saving grace is he's going straight back into that wind, so able to get it to stop quickly, and actually gets it to stop too quickly. He's going to have to make that for par now.
Bunker shot on 13.
Yeah, not the best of lies. Had sand behind it. Couldn't get it really clean. All in all, given that lie, that's acceptable.
The wind's got it. It's knocking it out. Yeah, that's the mistake there. Now you're pitching out of the rough.
Shank 14th.
This out of the right and hurting ever so slightly, and the most narrow fairway on the golf course. This is right and going right. That's over by 18T.
We've talked about trust. I don't know how you trust that you're going to stand up there and try and turn it into the breeze, but it's impossible to keep it out of the wind.
Dude,
That's over there where we saw Alex Smalling. Good thing that ball didn't land on the cart path.
dude, that helped.
Shino one back.
Well, I tell you what, he tried to flight it down and turn it. Hard to think he could imagine getting it left of that flag. That may have crept down to the bunker, and you got some green with which to work there.
McGreevy 11 under, playing the 16th.
Started on a good line. Can he hold it there?
This is going to be way right.
To get in the house, 12 under.
Trying to post a score. That's two makeable putts missed at 17 and 18. This could be very important. Oh, no.
Disaster.
Again, you have to carry it up on the green. The wind howling from right to left, and the wind's got this one going way left. Make the birdie. And way up in the air and out to the right.
Hook it back into this breeze.
6 iron, and that started at it, and the wind's going to move it right. This will miss the green right.
How about this for Hoshino on 17?
Yeah, not the best of lies, too. And
This is going to be right. If it gets over the bunker, it could get some help off that hill.
Ripped his tee shot, second to the par 5.
Looks like he's lost this left. Anything that's turning over is going to end up over there by the 18th tee.
Well,
That one's going to be way out to the right over there towards the 14th hole.
Done a wonderful job of flighting his golf ball all day long. Boy, this is beyond flighted. That's a ground ball.
Almost took out the pitcher's
That
ankle
needs to
to
slow
center
down.
field, and it works. Left side of the fairway. On 17, McGreevy, big swing on 18.
This one looks like he's lost it right on that breeze. He's hit softly, and it's going to find that fairway bunker down the right
you're gonna hit a
side.
big flare and you.
188 front, 203 hole out to the right, trying to turn on the wind. And the one thing you cannot do.
Sounded like he got it heavy, lost it right.
Shank.
Yes, sir. Oh, no. That wind got that.
Reset, ready to go.
Oh, no.
Second
Oh,
on the
no.
way.
This has got to get down, guys. This is well long. That's going to leave a tricky one right there.
Thanks for watching the PGA Tour. To watch more, click here. To subscribe, click here.